throughout the journey for the last 1.5 years, you have always kept our film in the top. I don't know why. I think it's pure love. I want the same love to continue and take us to that space where we all want to achieve. And of course, in return, I can assure you one thing. Apart from an entertainer, we have a clean message conveying film, which is much needed for the current society. And let's not just get entertained. Let's carry this message. Of course, you are the right tool to take this to the roots. Please take this message to the roots. And thanks for supporting us. Thanks for coming here. Please do all come with your family on December 25th to the theaters. Definitely, every member of your family has something to take home from Baby John. Baby John is a good father, good police officer, good husband, good lover, good son, and you have all kinds of emotion which will satisfy highly family. And then definitely, as a parent, you will have a great message to take home and create a great society for the next generation. Thank you everyone for coming here. And now I will thank my in-house team. Murad Bhai, thanks for being a partner and making this film. And the great VD, Varun Dhawan, Baby John. So he was so sweet and he was outstanding in the film. Till today morning, we were in the final mix of the film. It was very emotional for us to give the film to the overseas. We really felt emotional, and I think Varun Dhawan has really pushed his hard limit to give us maximum to the film. Thank you, Varun sir. Kirti Suresh, who's our best friend, and thanks for accepting this film. And it's a very important role, which is a very challenging role, and she has pulled it off, and it is highly emotional, and I'm sure she's going to make you all cry. That I can guarantee you. And thank you, Amika. I've been waiting to work with you for a very long time. First, we have produced a film, so soon we will work together for sure. And thanks for accepting this film. And my dear friend, and who's 18 years friend of mine, is just doing this drama only in front of you. He doesn't do this. Okay, so he's my good friend. 19 years back, when I was a short filmmaker, he was a short filmmaker. We bumped into each other and said, I'm going to do my short film tomorrow. Can you be my AD tomorrow? And he said yes. And that has been continuing for 19 years. He has worked in Jawan as a second unit director, and he has already directed a film. He should have a great heart to come as a second unit director after directing a film. He has already a director in Tamil industry. And thank you so much. You had a great heart, buddy. So thank you, and definitely he's going to be the pick of this year as a director for sure. We have, as a studio, Jio, Cine One and AFR Apple, we are very happy to introduce Khalees to this industry. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am, being a great support. Thank you, Jio Studio, for being a great support. I think I've done the basic things. Now let's whatever bro you ask, bro.
I'll do that. So, Varun, I'll come to you quickly. You know, Christmas celebration has started. Best production studios of our country have actually come together. Jio Studios, sir just talked about Jyoti ji, and Murad sir यहाँ पे हैं, Priya ma'am यहाँ पे हैं. What do you have to say? You know, इतनी तगड़ी backing Baby John को इस Christmas.
नहीं बहुत ज़रूरी है तगड़ी बैकिंग आने की, क्योंकि इन टुडेज इन्वायरमेंट अगर आपको फिल्म लेके आनी है तो आपको यू नीड वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग production support, that it becomes very difficult to release a film otherwise because very larger than life films are only coming nowadays. ऐसे environment हो गया. So in that much time, approximately it will be 55 days after which a Hindi film is going to release now, an all-out Hindi film right now. Abhi theaters. So we, like at least said, we need your support here in this market. Please, to the press, thank you for giving us so much love. And Christmas is a time when I have always wanted to release films. हमेशा से मैं चाहता था कि मेरी कोई film Christmas में आए, because it's a time when children really love watching films. They like going out, and we've had to really fight and struggle to get this date, because ये date historically this date has been आमिर sir बहुत फिल्में release करते थे historically on this date, you know. So we are very lucky. and thankful to Amir sir that he's given us this date, and with his blessing we are going ahead. And one more thing, I just want all the press to congratulate Kirti Suresh here. She's newly married. हमारी नई नवेली दुल्हन आई है यहाँ पे मुंबई में. So
Thank you so much. Thank you. He
Thank
had told
you.
me backstage that he's going to embarrass me. He's going to say this 100 times. But thank you so much.
I don't want to be the only married actor. Now we both are. Congratulations, but.
Thank you. Thank you.
कीर्ति मैं आपके पास ही आ जा
Yes, first of all, thanks to Atli and Priya because this is one of my favorite characters. Can I say that? Yeah. Yeah.
Be open. It's all yours. Come on.
Yeah, so this is one of my favorite character that has been played before, and to have me in this film, thank you so much, Atli. We've been friends for a very long time, but this is the first time I got to work with Atli and Priya, and hopefully the next time in his direction and not just his production. Thank you, Atli, and thank you, Murad Bhai and team. And Bhamika, I love her work from this film called Goda in Malayalam. She was brilliant in that. And yeah, she's a boxer in that. Sorry, wrestler, sorry. So very happy that we are in the same film. And Varun, his energy is great. He's a great actor, but I feel this time in Baby John, I think you all are going to see a very different Varun Dhawan, and I'm very, very excited for you, Varun. And Khalees, Khalees, I think if we give him a chance, he'll ask me to shoot even now. But his efforts and all his hard work, it's all going to be worth it. Thank you, Khalees. I've learned a lot from you. And that's more important. So thank you so much, and thank you all. We need all your support. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for sharing all of that. Vamik, I'll quickly...
I just want to add that at least you're looking very handsome today.
He's always handsome.
No, but आज
Thank you.
आज आप कुछ अलग ही लग रहे हो. First time seeing you in the suit boot, मतलब you're looking very handsome.
I
today.
think because he's sitting
Producer,
here. Priya.
producer avatar, sir. Producer avatar.
Right, Vamika, there's a lot of positivity और ये bonding बड़ी कमाल की दिख रही है पहले दिन से, when we saw the first look और उसके बाद से अब तक. Talk to us about this entire journey अभी, because 7 दिन रह गए हैं बस.
अगर आपको समझना हो कि कोई डायरेक्टर कैसा है या कोई राइटर कैसा है, you watch their films, you'll know what he believes in. So if you'll see Atli sir's films, the female characters in his films are so strong. And that shows that how much he appreciates the women in his life. And even in this film, while shooting for this film, ये कुछ अलग experience था मेरे लिए. इतने खूबसूरत लोग हैं ये लोग दिल से, इतने secure हैं, इतना प्यार है इनके अंदर. I feel so lucky that I got a chance to work with them. My first meeting with Atli sir, he inspired me how important it is to be a good person. And I think even in our film, you'll see that the main focus is that how important it is to be a good person, how important good upbringing is. So I think it shows what he believes in, what Khalees sir believes in. It was a blast working with Khalees sir, first of all, I have to tell you.
You want to imitate him?
No, Varun. But it was amazing. It was one of a kind of an experience. I always wanted to work with Murad sir. I am so happy that we are working together. I'm very grateful and thankful. It has been an incredible experience working with Varun and Kirti. Kirti के साथ मेरे इतने scenes नहीं है. But the love that I feel from her is just how do you have so much love in your heart? I love it. Thank you so much.
She just got married now, तो होता है. निकलता है प्यार.
It just Varun के बारे में मैंने जितना मैं जानती थी through films or interviews, when I worked with him, I understood what a beautiful human being he is. Never, generally when you work with a star who has done so many films and has a name, it can be very intimidating. But he made sure that I feel super comfortable so that I can give my 100% on set, and it was amazing. Thank you so much for being
Thank
so
you.
nice.
Likewise, likewise.
But Atlee sir, thank you.
Thank
You have no idea how much I've learned from you, the kind of personality you are. I think one thing that I'm going to really take away from this experience is you. The empathy, the love that you have for everyone and everyone's journey. Thank you for inspiring me. It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I
Thank you,
mean,
Amika.
thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so
I
much.
love you, Priya ma'am. And Zara, I love you.
Oh, that was cute. Priya ma'am, I'll quickly come to you. Murad sir, मैं
Hi, everybody. We are very, very, very happy to be here in the first place because this is like a dream come true for us because we are just babies and this is our first production in Bollywood. So, first of all, I would like to thank anyone Morad sir. We learnt a lot from him. He handled this project like with so much of love and thank you so much, Morad sir. He's family now to us. And thank you so much, Varun sir. Thank you so much for trusting us.
Priya, you're younger than me or we're the same age?
Almost the same.
So then why are you calling me sir? You know, it's so strange that because even Atlee sir and me, we are the same age. We are the same age. We are the same age. So then if he calls me sir, I have to call. We are only saying sir, 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 sir. But and he's a very cool guy besides being a
Of course, yeah.
producer
yeah.
and
Cool
director.
guy.
A
He
very
is.
cool cat. The cool cat.
No, he's a very, very, very cool person. Like, I've learned a lot from Atlee. And thank you so much, Kirti. Like, she's like our best friend. And I know that she came into this film just for us. So thank you so much, Kirti. Kitty. And Vamika, you're such a wonderful performer, Vamika. I really adore you, like, on screen. You're such a wonderful performer. And myself and Atlee, we're very, very proud to launch our family member, Khalis. He's more than a friend to us. He's been with us throughout the journey in Bollywood. So, thank you so much, Khalis. No one could have done this. No one could have done justice to this film. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And
Khalis is crying.
and we hope to see the same love from you all. And Baby John is releasing this Christmas. Please, please, please watch it in theaters. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Priya ma'am. Thank you so much. Murad sir, I'll come to you quickly. Talking about this entire collaboration, as I said, sir, theaters mein,
Was he doing the same on while shooting also?
Both of them, you're asking?
Yeah, of course. First Vamika.
पहले Vamika. Did I rag
बदमाशी
you?
करता था क्या बहुत?
बदमाशी करता था?
Ragging.
बोलो.
नहीं आई थिंक हम सब रियली एक तो हम वैसे भी बहुत सब रिलैक्स लोग हैं तो कोई ड्रैग करके नहीं लेके जाता था सेट पे
सर
हम सब
इसको
बहुत-
लोग जानते नहीं अभी तक ये खुली नहीं है आप सबके सामने अभी तक धीरे 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 खुलेगी हो ये मेरे को रैग करती थी मैं कोशिश करता था इनको रैग करने के लिए बट मैं रैग हो जाता था फिर ये तो गुंडी है तो ऑटो में अभी टुक में
If I take you in auto, doesn't mean I'll become a
शी
goon.
सेड तू चल ऑटो में चल क्या गाड़ी में जा रहा है स्टार है क्या फुल ऑटो में घुमाया मुझे पूरा भारत दर्शन किया देन एट नाइट शी सेड सीलिंग नहीं देखा है मैंने सीलिंग में जाना चाहिए हम लोग को तो नहीं ऑटो में नहीं गए वो गाड़ी में गए
On a serious note, how was it working with Varun, both the girls?
Varun is great. I mean, jokes apart, he's a great human being. And like Vamika said, he makes sure that he comforts you so much because he is happy when you are happy. All said and done, but he also pulls your leg a lot. He does rag me. And he says I rag him too much, but I don't know. Really? ठीक है मैं अभी शादी करके आई हूँ तो आई एम सिटिंग वेरी डिसेंट अभी
हेलो हेलो
किनसे पूछ रहे हैं आप? कि वामिका as a co-actor?
Vamika, how is Varun as a co-actor?
How is he?
मैंने एक्चुअली अपनी इंट्रोडक्शन में सबसे पहले वही बात की दैट इट वाज अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद हिम. जनरली लोग कोई भी इंटिमिडेट होगा दैट यू गोइंग टू बी वर्किंग विद सच अ ब्यूटिफुल बिग टीम हु हैव been doing excellent work in their fields, and I was nervous, but the first day only when I met him, when we worked together, I knew it's going to be easy. I will be able to give my best in this, and that shows what kind of a human being he is. अगर नहीं अच्छा होता तो मैं जबरदस्ती कुछ नहीं बोलती आज. मतलब he is so good that I want to like बार-बार तारीफ करना चाहती हूँ तुम्हारी मैं. That he is such a secure actor. He is so supportive. He would want कि जितना अच्छा हो सके उतना. Like he is not someone who will only think about himself, and that's the best thing about him.
Oh, and
Hello.
he gossips a lot.
Yeah, hello. Hi, here. Upma from Navbharat Times. Idhar.
Upama?
Yes. Upma Alankar.
Okay. Hi.
Hi. So, वरुण, जब आप लोगों ने एंट्री मारी एंड वो जो बच्ची है प्यारी सी जो फिल्म में
चली
आपकी
गई।
बेटी का रोल कर रही है उसके साथ जो
Zara,
आपका
come here, come here.
Zara, she wants to come here. You have to say 5 times का table. Come here.
सी
हाँ।
दिस इज व्हाट आई वाज सेइंग कि जब आपने एंट्री की and जिस तरीके से आप उसके साथ खेल रहे थे उसको प्रोटेक्ट कर रहे थे फ्रॉम दिस ये जो हो रहा था एक बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा फादरली इंस्टिंक्ट नजर आया. डज इट चेंज यू वरुण आफ्टर बिकमिंग अ फादर?
You know, honestly, मैं बचपन से ही मुझे बच्चों के साथ मजा आता था. Though I was a kid, I would enjoy. When I did films also earlier on in my career, I would always concentrate कि जो मैं content बाहर डाल रहा हूँ, kids can watch these kind of films. You know, I want to make films that children can watch, they can enjoy, put a smile on their faces, and that's why I enjoy a lot with kids. I enjoy their games. I enjoy doing masti with them, and I saw her bottle. It's so pretty. And with her, तो मुझे बहुत मजा आया इसके साथ. हम लोग ने इतना शूटिंग किया है साथ में. And I have to say something about Zara, that she is a very, very good actor. Don't go by how old she is. She's a very, very good actor. She's a very intelligent actor. And वो जिस तरीके के emotions लेके आते हैं.
You see that?
ये
She's too smart.
फुल धमाल है ये. फटाका है एक नंबर की. And we had a lot of fun together. She has another little sister and little brother also. I would play with her little sister also in the van. And she gave me a gift for my baby. You know, when I had a baby, she gave me a gift also. So thank you, Zara.
But have you changed as a person?
I don't know. अभी मतलब पहले भी अच्छा ही बोलते थे, अभी भी अच्छा ही बोल रहे तो. Change मतलब after becoming a father, have I changed? I don't know यार. मैं इतना अपने आप को स्टडी नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. But मैं कोशिश. Right now I'm running such a tight schedule. इधर से उधर भाग रहा हूँ कि I'm only changing clothes. As a person, I don't think I'm changing as yet. I think I'm becoming back like my old personality, like how I was during मैं तेरा हीरो. मैं वैसे ही वापस वो zone में जा रहा हूँ. I'm feeling.
Thank you.
Hi guys.
Next question.
This is Nawaz Kochra from Indian Express. Your guys.
प्राउड आप फील कर रहे हैं इस प्रोडक्ट से और क्या देने वाले हैं सर? 25 दिसंबर को थोड़ा इंसाइट्स बनती हैं सर.
थैंक यू एवरीवन फॉर कमिंग फर्स्ट. एंड जैसे एटली सर ने बताया आपको फिल्म के बारे में, द मैसेज, गुड पेरेंटिंग एंड ऑल. उसके अलावा जैसा आपने ट्रेलर में और देखा है, दिस इज अ फुल ऑन कमर्शियल मसाला एंटरटेनर. बहुत सारा एंटरटेनमेंट भी मिलेगा. इस फिल्म बहुत बड़े स्केल पे है. सो यू विल एंजॉय विजुअली. फिल्म का बैकग्राउंड इज ऑन अनदर लेवल.
राइट.
So, and songs you have heard, and are we, Amul? Are we? Is there a surprise? So, there is one more song coming out today or tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, so you'll see that. So, it's a romantic track. So, there is a love story and everything in the film.
Yeah.
And I'd like to thank Atli sir for trusting me. Priya ma'am. Thank you, sir. Zara, thank you. And
Right.
Kirti, thank you so much. Varun is like family now. And Vamika, क्या कहना तुम्हारा?
Vamika has been difficult, sir.
And Kalish sir, we love you, sir. And Kalish sir is planning to shoot 2 more days on 26th, 27th after release. So 1st January we will have another version of the film.
So अभी बहुत कुछ होना बाकी है. As I said, 3 of the biggest. Yeah,
लेकिन
please.
अभी तो बहुत खींच रहा है, इनको क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
मैं आ ही रहा था सर, डायरेक्टर साहब तक तो पहुंच जाऊं.
नहीं, मैं पहले क्वेश्चन डायरेक्टर साहब को मैं ही पूछ
Done.
लेता हूं.
आप पूछोगे?
प्रेस
And
के
one more
साइड
question,
से.
sir. Yeah,
Sir,
and
first
this is
question you have. Sir, first don't.
Yeah.
Please.
First, Kali sir, it's your debut over here. I think all the media here, everyone in Mumbai wants to know that how easy or difficult did you find it to shoot here in Mumbai, sir?
First of all, I want to thank you all. And I want to thank my friend Atli, because without him, I can't be here. He gave me address. So and, I want to thank Priya, my sister, and Murad sir. And I want to thank my hero, Varun sir, Kirti ma'am, and Vamika, and baby also, because I tortured them a lot. Still, they're loving me. That is why, I don't know why. But thank you everyone. And for the Varun sir question, it's a mindset. Difficulty and easy, it's a mindset. First, when you are going to the different culture, we have to understand the culture, we have to respect the culture. Once you respect them, you get the respect back. So from south down and to north, Jawan is the great experience for me when I'm doing a second unit director, when the opportunity to go to work with legends like Shahrukh sir, Nayanthara ma'am, and a lot of people. This gives me a lot of experience. And the way of working style from south north it's totally different. But once you understand the basic, it will be easy for everyone. It's nothing new. No, everyone using the camera, everyone using the same thing. The people, the way the talking is different, but everybody is beautiful. That is the one thing we have common all over India.
Absolutely. All right, Ji.
And this is first collaboration with Jio. And
Absolutely,
it was
sir.
a wonderful experience. Thank you, Jyoti ma'am. And thank you, entire Jio team, who's helping us a lot in promotion, marketing, and everything. Thank you, everyone.